Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to try out hair rollers. I'm very excited. I feel like these were incredibly popular in the past year. I've seen so many people use them. I just got the brand Goody from Walmart and I just recently got my hair cut. I got curtain bangs. If you want to watch the vlog where I got that, I'll link that up above. But I'm very excited to see if I can get like the voluminous look, you know what I'm saying? So let's just get into it. Alright, so I'm starting off with damp hair, and I have two products that I'm going to put in my hair. I don't know that I would necessarily totally recommend these products, it's just ones that I had laying around the house, and this is the first time I'm trying this style. So, we're just going with whatever we have. I've got a Pantene mousse, it's a volume mousse for body, and this is just a little Soak Infusion oil gel sort of thing that I'm going to put in. So I put those two in first, and then we're going to go in with a light blow dry. So I just got my blow dryer and this little piece to concentrate the heat, and then I've got my round brush, so I'll go in with a light round brush sort of blowout to prep the hair and give it a little heat so that when I'm putting the rollers in it will have some heat to like create hold in the hair. And I think I might even go over with the diffuser attachment for the hair dryer once the rollers are in to heat it and give it that extra hold while it's in the rollers. This is what my hair looks like after I've dried it with the round brush, and honestly like I love how it turns out like this, but I'm very excited to see if I can like enhance the volume. Okay, so basically there's just like a bunch of different sizes, so I would say I'm gonna go probably like pink medium for most of the top and frame like face framing pieces, and then probably the blue bigger one for the bottom half of my hair. I have no idea how many I'm gonna need. Truly kind of nervous just because Velcro's like a little scary, you know? So, I think I'm going to start with my curtain with the bangs. I probably should have watched a video of how to actually put these in, but we're just, we're just gonna learn as we go, okay? Okay, here we are. Okay, going in.
Oh no, you're gonna roll like this. Wait. You roll away. You definitely roll away from your face, right? Do you?
Okay, she's in. I have literally 4 bobby pins. This is not gonna go well. Hopefully I'll be able to find some around. Oh god. Like I'm just fully guessing here. Gonna take another top piece. This is already feeling like a massive L. I almost feel like I need to do that one again. Oh, and it feels awful coming out, I'm gonna be honest. You start up here. You better turn here. Oh yeah, okay. Look at that. I'm gonna take it back easier. Okay. Scared. We're gonna go here now. Away. I need to find some bobby pins. I swear to god, bobby pins are those things that you find everywhere when you don't need them, and then when you need them, nowhere to be found, nowhere to be seen, like at all. I apparently have like no fucking bobby pins left. What could, let me look, I'm gonna be back. Okay. Oh my god, this is why this is so funny to me. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, anyways, I could not find any more bobby pins. Found a few clips, as you can see, which is definitely falling out of my hair, but I don't really know. It feels incredibly precarious. My question, how did anybody, like people have slept in these, right? How would you sleep in this? I can't imagine how uncomfortable that would be, and also just like how does that not fall out of your head? Truly perplexing. So I'm really excited, honestly. I tried to like a few of them I fixed, so I was taking them out and I'm like truly almost got one stuck, got a little scared, kind of freaky. Anyways, I'm gonna add the diffuser onto my hairdryer and dry them in this position, and then probably leave it for like 20 minutes, and then we'll see. We'll see. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for like 20 minutes probably. And then let's see if anything happens at all, or if it just literally makes my hair tangled and messy. Be back. Okay, I'm a little impatient and I do not want to wait anymore, so let's just do it. Why am I so weirdly nervous? Okay. I did in fact just watch a video on how to properly take out a Velcro roller, so just thought I would like prep with that because I'm a little scared. So she said like take your 2 fingers at the bottom of the thing and then just sort of roll with it. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna be honest. Let's just be honest. I did not do this as well as one could have, and I didn't leave it in as long as you could have, and this might have been a fail. So bottom pieces did nothing. Oh. See, but it's like I also blow dried my hair, so I wonder if that's from the curler or from the blow dry. Truly questionable. I feel like it's still gonna look good, but just not as good as it could. Like, had I done this with wet, or at least like 80% dry hair, and like left it for an hour, and blow dried it while it was in here, that's really like when you're gonna get the situation that I'm looking for, I guess, you know? Oh, quit clipping my hair. This is just a full-on fail, I think, y'all. Okay, that did a little something. That one definitely did a little something. Okay, cute. It does feel more voluminous. It does. Truly. See how the bangs came out. It's kind of a moment of truth, isn't it? I love that I said I had a method and then just kind of ditched the method. Okay. I mean, bangs definitely have more volume. Definitely giving me more like that 70s real like curl, you know what I'm saying? I mean, 90s supermodel who? Like, I feel like a woman. This is giving me very like the Olivia that lives in New York City and has the high-paying corporate job, and it's a Friday night and she's going to meet her friends in the city for some drinks. Like, that is what this is giving me. Big fan. Final thoughts, big fan. Excited to try again. Excited to maybe do it a little bit better next time. But if you're thinking about it, I would definitely recommend. I mean, this vibe is just so, I love it. I'm so happy that it's like in, like I just, oh, yes, honey, yes, giving me life. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I certainly did. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye.